Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here from My Pretty Charmed Life. In today's video, I have a recent haul video that I just did from Pandora. I kind of went a little bit crazy. It's been a while since I've stepped into my local store, so I kind of had a lot of fun with some of the older collection as well as some of the new stuff that actually I don't think is officially released. I'm not sure when the summer collection is set to launch. I'll find out and link it, or not link it, but tell you in the description. And but we'll go through some of the things that my store did have out and that I was able to pick up. Before I do that, I want to start with a special gift that I was given by my sister. She's so sweet. She watches my videos and she knows, what I'm looking forward to coming out in the new collections. And she knew I loved this domed heart set. And so she ended up getting me the charm, which you guys, I just love. It's absolutely beautiful. The back is so sweet and has the cutest sentiment. It says, "You have a heart of gold," and the heart is a cutout versus like the word. And I love it. And like the new gold stuff, you have the gold stamp also in gold. And you guys, it's 14 karat, not shine. I love this. She's so sweet and so thoughtful. And as you can see here, I may have added to this set. So I'm almost complete, but we will move forward. Actually, let's go to the glass beads first, because when I had done my Browse With Me catalog video, I saw these sunset Muranos coming. And in the picture, they kind of looked like they would be just kind of red and gold, and they are all kinds of different colors. So in here, you see some pink, as well as some like orange, yellow, reddish tones, but there's also like that like crackle sparkle in there. I love these. They're on a Pandora Rose core. They are some of the smaller Muranos like they've been coming out with, but really nicely priced, especially for having that Pandora Rose core. I believe it was $35. Okay, one thing I want to tell you is I was able to look at all of their different Muranos and really pick out the ones that I liked the most, aka the ones that had the most pink, of course. But as you can see, like, do you see where that pink and that orange kind of meet? Some have like a bigger gap than others, and the color just varies. As you can see here, right, one has more yellow than the other. Well, actually, I don't know. I got a pretty good matching pair. So just things to be aware of. They do vary, but I love them. I did not know that they were going to be like this unique. I thought they were really just going to be one color. So yes, it's a little bit Astropop vibe going on here. To stick with some of the summer stuff coming out, we have a Sailboat, which I think might go on my Moana bracelet, and I might add those Muranos to it as well. But the bail has rope detail on it, which I think is just lovely. The bottom here kind of looks like water waves, a lot of detail to it. But then there's a little sentiment here that says "Sail away with me," which is pretty cute. Trying to see what that is on the inside of the sailboat. Is it a person? Am I seeing things? Should we zoom in? Oh, is it the wheel? Might be the wheel. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. Let's flip it around. Yeah, I'm thinking it might be a steering wheel. Not sure, but there we go. That is the Sailboat. Not part of the summer collection, but part of the Alice in Wonderland collection that came out. I did end up getting the new Alice in a Bottle. I have the other one and I feel like it's really similar, but this one, I mean, it's not that similar because this one is a little like translucent, so you can see her dress, you can see her little feet. You've got the Pandora Disney Hallmark on the bottom. This little tag here says "always," and on the other side, "curious." So that's really cute. And the bill has some nice little swirl detail. So I did end up pretty much finishing the Alice in Wonderland collection with this haul. Also launching soon is this travel charm. Let's turn it around. I think that was backwards. There we go. I love this travel charm. It has the suitcase with that adorable pink heart in there. Absolutely love that. You have a globe and you have an airplane on here. I have a ton of like travel charms, but I don't know, this one just really, I loved that it was all in one. It might go on my stay home, stay safe bracelet because we weren't able to travel. So now I appreciate travel like that much more. Nothing really special on the bail. The side has a little bit of a heart cut out right there. But yeah, there's this travel charm. Right, and back to the Alice in Wonderland collection. I did get the unbirthday party teapot charm. It is just really cute. You've got the little mouse in there, and then you have the clock dangling from the bottom. I really love this chain detail. I actually didn't remember seeing the chain detail on the stock photos. So I looked it up because I was like, oh, well, maybe the stock photos has it from this angle. And nope, it absolutely doesn't. The chain detail is definitely on the stock photo. I just missed it. Love the enamel. Got a butterfly there, some rose detail there. It's really pretty and really cute, and I'm excited about all the Alice stuff now. I need to like confirm that I have everything. I think I do. Okay, here's the last charm that I got from my haul, and it is this Pandora like movie clapboard thing, and it's titled Pandora. You've got a little Pandora logo on there. You've got a heart, all the cute things on here. And this obviously represents all my Pandora YouTube videos as well as, you know, my Instagram videos as well. The back says Hollywood, so it could serve as like a travel charm to Hollywood, but for me, this 100% represents my love of filming my charms. So there you go. This is a must-have for anybody who does filming of their charms. I'm just saying that. You will have permission to go get this and have it represent that. Then the final item that I got is the Cheshire Cat Bangle. I am always mixed about the bangles, you guys, because bangles don't fit me like perfectly. I end up getting the small ones because they fit better, but I can't really put that many charms on it, so I really just like to wear them as stacking pieces. The size up is just like way too big, so I'm always like, do I really want to spend money on a bangle? But here you have the Cheshire Cat's tail in the back, his a cute adorable little face. How do you not get it? And then there is of course an inscription on here that says Curiouser and Curiouser, if I can get a good angle of it. There we go. Yeah, so there we go. This is my haul plus my super special gift from my sister and a little sneak peek, I suppose, of the summer stuff. I know a lot of the stores have it out, so a lot of you have already purchased or your stores are already showing you, but I don't know when they come out. Consider this a sneak peek, I suppose. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Would love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all next time.